Welcome to English Gravity.
Don't forget like, share, and subscribe for more videos.
The station was empty, eerily quiet. Emma glanced at the clock. 11:58 p.m. 2 minutes to go, she thought, clutching her suitcase tightly. The distant hum of the approaching train broke the silence. She shivered. Was it the cold? Or the weight of the letter in her pocket? She couldn't decide. As the train screeched to a halt, she stepped back instinctively. The doors opened. A gush of warm air greeted her, yet she hesitated. Her heart raced. "This is it," she whispered. The conductor, an elderly man with kind eyes, gave her a nod. "Last train tonight," he said. "You getting on?" Emma nodded slowly. "Yes. I think so." She boarded and found an empty seat by the window. Outside, the world blurred into darkness, punctuated by faint glimmers of light from distant homes. Her mind wandered. The letter, it was still in her pocket. She had found it that morning, tucked between the pages of an old book. "Meet me at the station. Midnight." The handwriting was unmistakable. It belonged to her mother. But her mother had been gone for 5 years. A lump formed in Emma's throat. Was this a cruel joke? Or something else? The train slowed. A figure stood on the platform, a woman, her face hidden by shadows. Emma's breath caught. Could it be?
The doors opened, and the woman stepped in. She turned toward Emma, her face illuminated by the faint glow of the overhead lights.
"Mom?" Emma whispered, tears welling up. The woman smiled, a soft, familiar smile. "You came," she said, her voice as gentle as Emma remembered. Emma couldn't move, couldn't speak. Questions swirled in her mind. Was this real? The woman sat beside her. "I don't have much time," she said, placing a hand on Emma's. "But I needed to see you. To tell you I'm proud of you." Emma blinked back tears. How is this possible?" Her mother didn't answer. Instead, she handed Emma a small locket. "Keep this. It will guide you when you feel lost." The train came to a stop. "This is your station," her mother said. Emma shook her head. "No. I can't leave you." Her mother smiled again, her eyes full of love. "You must. Live your life, Emma. And remember, I'm always with you." The doors opened. A cold breeze swept in. Emma stood, clutching the locket. She turned to look at her mother one last time. But the seat was empty. As the train pulled away, Emma stood on the platform, her heart heavy yet strangely at peace. The locket gleamed in her hand, a silent promise of love that transcended time.